As large amount of Russian equipment is destroyed when they try to do an offensive, the more well-armored equipment such as tank could be left damaged or immobilized, leaving possible repairs if Russia could get the opportunity to tow these back. So the Ukrainian drone army makes sure this will not happen and makes sure the tank can never see the battlefield again. As the stationary tank leaves easy drone strikes at the weaker armored section of the tank, which can often result in an explosive way, as either the fuel or ammunition catch fire as the drone strikes hit the top back section of the tank, resulting in a completely destroyed tank, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.